3, 2, 1, action! Hello, you mother lovers. It's your man, G, and we are upstairs in my little studio room, and we are doing a makeover today. At least we are starting today. The video you're about to watch might take over many days because it's going to be a little bit of a project. But we are going to paint in here, we're going to spruce some things up, and we are going to get this studio feeling like the rest of my apartment because I really love the space I'm living in now. And this room is really cool, but I just haven't known what to do with it. You know, the acoustics are what is that? I'm just making up words. But the acoustics aren't that great in here. And for, you know, recording audio and stuff, you want those things. So I kind of avoided making a proper studio here, but I'm doing it because I'm not moving anytime soon. I have way too much stuff. I've been an American on the run, living like a renegade all over the world. And now I feel like I'm settling. Still single though, taking applications, wink wink. So I'm excited to show you the process because I'm really excited. I bought a new desk for this area. I want everything laid out. I want everything at my fingertips so I can shoot electricity into the keyboards and then it can go into you, into my music, boom, boom, boom. And I want to make this more of like a jungle studio vibe with great lights. And I don't give a fuck about the acoustic situation in here because if I really need to record some vocals, I can go into a studio. Boom! So, watch as we prepare, and when I say we, I mean my manager, Giulia, and I, because I can't paint for shit. I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Are you?
Oh! Did you hear that? You don't want to work with me, I'm an animal. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a little before and after, and I'm excited to turn this into a really chill, kind of jungly music sex palace on mushrooms. I think that's good, right? That was a disaster. Oh my god. Alright, should I put these outside?
Yeah.
I think we are ready to paint. Guess what color we're painting? Put it in the well, you're gonna see the fucking video. It's painting time. I'm gonna get naked.
We were the lucky ones. We lived carefree. We lived in the moment. We lived as kings. We were the lucky ones. We lived carefree.
I think I'm gonna leave the painting to her because I've painted like all the walls in this apartment and it's not really as much fun as you think it's gonna be at the start. At the start, you're like all gung-ho. And then 5 minutes later, you're like, oh, I have the entire way to go, and this is going to take hours. But we are getting there. We are getting there, and we are getting there. And so it's a really beautiful day, actually, out. It's very cold. I'm in my underwear because I'm painting. But this is my view from my balcony. Really beautiful. I think I'm just going to stay out here while she paints. I think that's a great idea. Great idea. Well, we see how she feels about that one. I'm gonna be without a manager pretty soon. Look what she just did. Oh my god, my ass. It's not OnlyFans. This is not OnlyFans. Hello, lovers. It's day 2. We finished painting the wall white, priming it, and then today we are painting it that new fresh color. So come along. It's almost there. It's getting there. And Giulia is really happy right now because I made her do all the work. I might actually help out today, but no guarantees. So come along, see what color we painted. Color reveal in 1, 2, 3, and go.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Oh, pretty. Are you happy that you're becoming a YouTube star all of a sudden?
Very.
Your hands are gonna be so fucking famous. 29 views. Mix that paint, Giulia. Mix that paint good. Oh, pour some sugar on me. In the name of babe, you're getting it all over the floor.
Wait, what?
You're getting it all over the floor.
That's fine.
No, it's not. It's pretty. Yeah, that's not what my landlord's gonna say.
Stop this.
All right, it's like a tidal wave, like my new single. See that for self-promotion. You YouTubers at home learn from the OG.
I need help.
Okay, I gotta go, Giulia. You gotta help me. I mean, Giulia needs help. She needs a lot of help. She needs emotional, mental, spiritual help. All right, bye. We are finding out that someone has some issues with paint. Just wants to put paint. Oh,
I didn't do that.
He won't take ownership. I didn't do anything yesterday, so it couldn't have been me. Giulia is killing it currently with the purple. Olympic gold medalist. Okay, so we are doing the reveal. Here it is. It's a little bit of a rainy day, but Papa, there we go. Here we are, we did the thing. Took us a few days to get here, but we are purple, we are happy, and we are alive. So, welcome to my new studio. Going forward, it's going to be more of a work in progress. I'm going to add more hardware. We're going to do some lights underneath this desk, maybe do some lights all around, make it much more cozy so that you can have those long nights that you get into when you're doing editing, when you're making music, when you're doing all those things, late nights, early mornings, whatever it is. What do you think that I should add to this room? Because I'm thinking that I should get some drums in here, maybe they're purple, maybe not. So I would love to hear your feedback, especially if you're musicians or creatives. What would you put in here? I know that I have to do some soundproofing and stuff if I really want it to be on the next level, but with all these windows, it's gonna be hard to get there. But we freaking did it, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. There's gonna be more stuff coming. Keep it flowing like the Niagara Falls. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a sexy and beautiful day. Mwah! Oh my God, I'm an animal!
Pictures like that.
Thank you so much again for watching. Like and subscribe if you like these videos. I do more life videos every Tuesday or Wednesday, and I do music-related content on Fridays. I have so much content coming, new singles, an album coming out in March, and I can't wait to take you along for the ride. So peace out, mother lovers. Mwah.